What's up, chat? I'm about to go get Chick-fil-A, but before I do that, I want to show you the shirt. Before I do that, I want to show you the shirt I got from Eliminate. And I also got Jake Schnatter's giveaway shirt for the M3 also. Oh, Grammy keeps opening the garage door. Let's make sure she's not in here. Okay. Chat, will I make it in 9 minutes? Ooh. I freaking made it, chat, with 3 minutes left. Also, guys, I want to make some more posters and stuff. I need to reopen the website, but if you would like a poster or anything, let me know. Also, I need to get my wheels fixed. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I was driving on low tire pressure. I had a blowout, and look at the wheel. I don't know if they're going to be able to fix it because it's already welded, so I'm afraid it's going to crack if they try to bend it back, but there's only one way to find out. I'm gonna go get pizza for Chris because she didn't get to have lunch yet. So I just saw Ferrari, so we're gonna go see if we could take a look at that real quick. If you know me, you know I have a Coke addiction. Jack stand tools, extra wheels just in case, tire inflator, more tools, more tools. Also, I got this beanie at Goodwill like maybe last year, and I never wear it. But I put it on because I'm gonna try out the Rode mic on the DJI, so let's see if that makes a difference on anything. These are the mics. I'll go ahead and hook it up right. Alright, this is what it sounds like with the mic on. Let me know if it makes a difference at all. First things first, I'm gonna clean up my stuff before I change the wheels because I can't work in a dirty environment. So, oh, I also got these fireworks earlier this year for New Year's, and I wasn't able to light it because we had a burn ban. So these are just sitting in my garage. Probably not safe. These are my only 2 firearms. Let me know if you guys want to see more gun videos. I got the G2C with the 50 round Pro Mag. By itself, it holds 17 plus 1. And then I got the FN502, the Timu Light laser. I did a video on this already. If you guys want to see more videos of these, I'll put them on the screen. I'm ready to buy another firearm, to be honest. I was planning on getting a bike at one point. Let's move this so the lighting's a little bit better. I was planning on getting a bike at one point, but I ended up not going through with it. But I still want to take the course just because I still think it'd be fun. This helmet I got for like $50 and it came with the Senna. Alright, now I gotta get the jack it up, take the wheels off. For those wondering why my car is so loud, it's because I scraped a hole through my downpipe, so it's just open downpipe right now. Now, I normally don't use gloves, but I don't want to get my new shirt dirty, so fuck it. Wheels off. Wrx SEC.
To O and get old. Do some shit and nobody knows. Go some places where nobody goes. Look at calls, they giving me goals. Taking pictures, you throwing the foes. For the hugger, you throwing the clothes. It's the ones for you say I got hoes. But I'm in the streets. I'm selling drugs, ain't giving no love. I'm taking that you wanna leave. Saying you good, but when I come back, you wanna that you wanna beef. I'm paranoid to say right here, your daddy is gonna be chasing a beer. You know I'm a killer, but you ain't saying to the doctors. nigga die, go fight them. They gon' swing the band with them trying to sing it like
First wheel down, and I gotta do the other 3. I carried this little box that has a bunch of luck nuts in it.
First day went so good, we kissed, thought it was not no kissing. You ain't let me nigga, I thought you ain't had no feelings. I see you and me, I see you and me.
Done with all 4. Battle road now. Dang. I remember when I first got this torque wrench. It's a Blitz torque wrench. If you don't know, Blitz is a pretty big wheel company. When I first got this, I never wanted to use it, and at my old job, someone's tool broke, and I had to whip it out, and now this is like torn up.
From the top.
Ouch. Alright guys, what do you think? Oh yeah, I gotta do the wheel cleaner. I got sparkle seats in it.
Call me Bumpy Johnson, I got hit up and kept on stepping. Look at